It is all hands on deck for heating and cooling companies out there as this heat and humidity really puts those air conditioning units to the test. Sam Kramer tagged along with one of those companies today, and they say it's ready for business to heat up after a decently mild winter.
When there's a breakdown in the backyard, Jacob Hines gets to work.
You can just see like the weight off their shoulders, so it's a good feeling.
And lately, there's been a lot of work for the Burkhart Heating and Cooling Service Technician, as this wave of heat and humidity tests air conditioners around the area.
When you're running them, especially when overnight temps are, above 70, they just break down a lot more.
It's welcome work for HVAC companies that managed mostly maintenance through a mild winter.
When it's hot like this, we can run anywhere from 6 to 10 calls per technician.
This stop was a quick fix, but farther south, a few quick readings are all Ricardo Munoz needs to see.
The unit is very old. I don't recommend doing any repairs on the unit or charging the system because it could die at any time.
As a 20-year-old unit, might just have run its course. And there are a few things you can do to be more prepared at your house. First, you want to make sure your AC unit has room around it to breathe. It's free of any yard debris, that way it can run efficiently. Second, Burkhart recommends changing the filters to your unit regularly, whether that's every month to 3 months. And lastly, if you suspect something is up, of course, contact your local HVAC company. Reporting in Milwaukee, Sam Kramer, FOX6 News.